Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Elias's Tech here, and welcome back to another video. And I just received this in the mail today, the MagSafe charger, and wow, it looks really good. I'm super impressed on a new sort of charging equipment for the phones this year. And I'm not happy though about the USB-C thing. That's the only thing that's the problem with this new charging platform. Alrighty, guys, let's get right into this video. Open this little tab right here. Pull that little tab up. Pull this out. Designed by Apple in California. Wow, that's actually kind of chunky than I expected. Yeah, that's a lot of things that people have actually been thinking too. And once they actually got it in the mail, they've noticed it's a lot chunkier. Wow, that thing's actually really huge. Let's pull this little tab right here and this tab right here. Pull that out. There we go. Let's put that to the side and take a look at this. That's some huge charging coil though. As you can't see it because it's protected by some layer of plastic, I believe. And then this is like stainless steel. But it's definitely USB-C. And I'm going to try it out on my iPhone 11, and we'll switch over right now. Alright guys, I have my USB-C power adapter, and I have my MagSafe to USB-C cord. So let's plug this in, and then use it with the iPhone 11. Alright guys, let's see if it'll charge with the MagSafe now. Let's just throw it on the back, like so. This won't matter, I'm pretty sure, I hope, because it's right here. I just did it perfectly so I could charge it earlier. And let's see if it's charging. I think we gotta move just a little bit. Turn around a little bit. There we go. Wow. Looks pretty good. I really like it. I don't know if I'd probably ever use a cord ever again after this. I've heard there's bad things happening with the MagSafe right now. I'm not too sure if I should be using it just for certain reasons. But it's kind of bulky. You probably would not expect that at all. But it's really well designed on how they made it. But it still has a cord. That's the problem. I guess wireless charging never had this problem. But you can kind of count that because you still have to plug it into a wall. I don't think there'll ever be something as wireless charging. Unless it's like just hidden from it. But I don't think there ever will be. Alright guys, let's now try it with a case. So this is a mouse case I got from Mouse back in August. I don't know. It doesn't really stick on there that well with the case. It slides a lot. It likes to go down to here because of the magnet. Weird. I don't know if this is how loose it's supposed to really be. I'm definitely not sure it's supposed to be like that. But just look at it though. It's just super bad with this case. I expected it to be something good. I think the matte black is better because this is bamboo. And I don't know if this has some sort of thing to do with it. But I'm really liking it though. I will probably start using it, probably changing up the cases once in a while. And then use this MagSafe as my daily driver for the iPhone 12 Pro and 11. I hope you stuck around to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it as well. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.